You've tried everything to raise your frequency and vibration, and nothing seems to work. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use Reiki to raise your vibration when nothing seems to work. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from QuantumUpgrade.com, and I create content for Reiki practitioners, light workers, and those who are interested in enhancing, healing, and raising their vibrations. If this is you, continue watching. You may be sad, down, or depressed or anxious for any number of reasons. Some people believe that Reiki is a do it once and done type of energy healing. I'm here to tell you that it's not. It's a practice that every day and forever, and as well, it's a help yourself system. And it's up to you to participate in your own healing process. Let me ask you this. Are you a DIY person or a DFY person, done for you person? Which one are you? Comment below. So let me just go through the list of things that you can do right away to raise your frequency. And some of it might sound silly, but that's okay. Go ahead and give them all a try and see which one actually resonates with you the most. Here's what you can do to raise your vibration. Number one, make up your mind. Make up your mind to practice Reiki every single day. 2, focus on what it is that's really bothering you. Focus on what is uppermost in your mind. And chances are that's probably not what the issue is. However, because that's what you are consciously ready to face, you could start from there. Basically, you're kind of working your way backwards, but that's okay. Number 3, roll around on the grass. I know that sounds silly, but the truth of the matter is, when was the last time you took off your shoes and put your feet on the grass? Yeah, most of us don't even really think about it. Maybe in the summertime we go out more often and we're walking around, but chances are you probably still have your shoes on. So, take off your shoes, get in the grass, roll around. This is actually a lot more fun if you actually have small children with you. They just love that type of stuff. Roll around in the grass. I know it's a little dirty and maybe a little messy, but guess what? When was the last time your skin touched the earth? Our skin is the largest organ in our body. When was the last time you got naked on the grass? Well, maybe not literally naked, but you know what I mean. When was the last time you took your shoes off and walked on the grass? We need to touch the earth because there's a connection there. There's a vibratory connection between you and the earth. And if you always have shoes on and your feet never really touch the earth, then you're kind of like limiting that connection. Number 5, sit under the tree. I know there's a TikTok trend where you stand next to the tree and you say to the tree, if you can hear me, then touch my shoulder, or touch my left shoulder, or touch my right shoulder. I'm going to do that one. And, they can hear you and they do touch you. And so, just sitting under a tree and just relaxing and breathing, whether by yourself or with somebody that you care about, it really is a very calming and relaxing thing that you can do. And it does, and it will raise your frequency. You just have to try it. Number 6, plan excursions outdoors and follow through on it. Yes, I know we are all very busy. We have busy lives, got 101 things to complete by the end of the day. However, we have to take time out to plan excursions where we're just having fun with the family or even by ourselves and just follow through on it. And trust me, it's a little bit challenging, especially when you have a lot of things to do and you're trying to squeeze as much thing into your day. So the best thing to do is to have a dedicated time or day. It doesn't even have to be a big excursion or anything. It could just be something that you consciously choose to do on a particular day, in spite of how busy you might be, and you follow through on it. That will raise your vibration because it's sending a message to your subconscious that I care about you. I care about what is important to you. I'm paying attention to you. So when you do those things, it has a ripple effect. It has a vibratory signature throughout your whole system. Number 7, pay attention to what you are thinking about. And I'll give you a great example of that. The other day, I'm chopping up vegetables and I'm rushing to get this done, and I don't even remember what it was that I was thinking about. And before you know it, I almost sliced up my thumb. And I was like, oh my goodness. And it didn't hurt, it just happened. And I'm usually very careful when it comes to, when it comes to vegetables and knives and all of that, right? But this particular split moment of the time, I just was not paying attention. And yeah. In any case, my thumb is all right. I didn't slice it up. I basically just grazed it enough to let me know that I wasn't really being focused and being present in the moment. So that is another thing that you have to pay attention to. That is something that you can use your Reiki to do. And, paying attention, having deep breaths, listening for sounds, noticing colors. Those are things that can help you to bring you back into the present moment, because really the present moment is all that we have. Number 8, do your very best to think positive thoughts. I know you've heard that 1,000,001 times, but the truth of the matter is it is important and it does have an effect. And I know that it's challenging, especially when our mind naturally just veers off to the negative. That's the thing that we, remember or notice because it's a survival instinct. However, too much of that is not really healthy for anybody. So it's important to be mindful of what it is that you are thinking. Be mindful of your mind being hooked by certain things. Pay attention to what's going into that lovely, fertile ground of your mind. If that sounds like too much work for you to do, you could always just spin around in a circle until you become dizzy and fall down, and maybe, bring back your lunch that you had earlier. But I think trying those other things may be a little bit easier to do, being a grown-up. If you're a child, that's not a problem. They just love doing that type of stuff. Be childlike when it comes to certain things, okay? I hope this video helps you in some small way, okay? I hope that you will, try either all of them or the one that resonates the most with you. I hope that this video helps you in your journey along the way, and that everything that comes to you is for your highest good. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And remember to hit that bell so you know what video is coming up next. See you next time.